front of me is Samsung Tab S10 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Google. Then you need to tap on All Services, scroll down to tap on Autofill with Google, select Continue and then choose Continue here. Now you need to select Google from the list, tap on OK, and click on this switcher next to Use Autofill with Google to activate it. Finally, after all that, choose Google Password Manager to tap on Add Password. Then input all of those informations. At the top, select any website, or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!